guys.
Everybody knows them.
Those 40,000 subscribers, those play buttons.
Yes.
That's what we say. I think today's video is just about that. Okay, please. Yeah, guys. Okay.
You're waiting for your addresses.
Yeah, just waiting for a sticker trade.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel,
Silver Fanatic. Okay guys, today's video,
we're giving an update
on our bring the community together giveaway. Yes guys, a lot of you left comments and how to grow the channel. Today is the update, and when we are doing a draw for that giveaway. So today we're gonna be updating on all of that. Okay, but before we go into that, let me just introduce this a wizard. Yes, a wizard, guys. Harry Potter. Yes, let's introduce Harry Potter, because I think our stack needs a wizard. It needs a wizard to do the magic on our coin so it grows more and more. So there's a wizard there, guys. Okay, introducing a wizard. Okay, all right. The comments, guys, that most of you left,
more giveaways.
They spoke, they are more in lines of to do more giveaways in order for you, if you want to grow your channel and bring the community together. You have to do more giveaways. And many of you spoke about the live stream.
And like many comments.
Many comments were touching on the live streams, that you have to like go into live stream, pop in there. Yeah, most of the comments were talking about that. That you just have to go on the live streams. Yes, guys, and greet other community members there, so they can be able to see you and know you as well. Yes, guys. And then some of them
they wanna know where to buy and sell silver.
Yeah, and some of the comments. Yes, some of the comments they spoke on just an advice when is a good time to buy and to sell the silver. When is it a perfect time to do that? So some of the guys said that is one of the things to grow and bring the community together. Okay, and some spoke about the editing and equipment. Yeah, they said just share your editing equipment, so the other guys can pick up and maybe be able to zoom like so on their coins and be able to just show off the focus and all that. As you can see, it's auto focusing brilliantly, and be able to zoom and zoom out without a problem.
That's true.
So they said share the editing equipment. Yes. Yes, guys. Then the other comment said the hustle harder than you were doing.
Yes.
Just hustle more hustle. And the other comments touch on the
Facebook groups.
On the legs of Facebook groups. Say the Facebook groups, guys. Just go on to Facebook groups. Yes. And the other comment spoke about the trade, sending a trade box around. Yeah, a trading box to be sent around, guys. Awesome idea as well. Put into the trade box and take out something. Okay, I think you start taking out, then you put something along those lines. Yes, we wanted clarity on that one. Yeah. So, and another one is to visit those big channels.
Yes.
We all know those big channels, guys.
Everybody knows them.
Those 40,000 subscribers, those play buttons.
Yes.
That's what we seek for. We want a play button. Yes. So they say visit those channels, the ones with the play buttons. Okay. Yeah. And for us, we're just gonna share
our equipment that
we are using.
software
and our editing software. So for us, that's what we are going to be sharing with the community.
Yes.
Okay, for starters, we'll start with the camera.
We're using the phone.
We use the phone for the camera.
Yeah.
It's iPhone 11 Pro Max. Yes, that's the one we are using. iPhone 11 Pro Max. Yeah, and I know Aloha has iPhone 12.
I think it was a 12. He mentioned 12.
Yeah, I recently bought an iPhone 12. He mentioned it on one of his videos. Yes, guys. So yeah, for us, we are happy. We're happy with the quality that we are getting on our 11 Pro Max, iPhone 11 Pro Max. That is our camera. Okay, and
we got we put it on the gimbal.
Yeah, we have a gimbal and Osmo Mobile 3, but that's not necessary like to get a Osmo Mobile 3, just a tripod, anything to have it on the stand can work. Yeah, because holding it with your hand makes your video to shake and not look so clear after that. Yeah, and our editing we mentioned, it's Adobe Premiere Pro.
Yes,
that is the software that we are using to edit our videos. Yeah, Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay, that is the one.
And we also have an additional lights.
Yeah, and we also have an additional light, guys, to bring the lights, because most of our videos we do it at night, so we need this lights. It's a LED, the square LED lights, those small square LED lights. I forgot to take.
50 watts. It's got the 50 watts.
Yeah, it's a 50 watts. Yeah, it's a 50 watts light LED. Yeah, it's a square LED light.
I think it's those ones, some they using them outside.
Outside, those mostly people they put them outside. They're very bright, so that's the reason we are using it, because most of our videos we do them at night
when it's quiet.
Nice and quiet, no noise. Because children around here plays a lot and they make a lot of noise. So yeah, that's what we use for lighting. LED square lights. The 50 watts. But yeah, that's important, because we really found problem when we started using it. Yeah, it brings lines across when you put it on 60 frames per second. So you need to adjust your camera to 30 frames per second, because 60 frame captures everything. So you just adjust your framework to 30 frames per second, not 60 frames. So then it will not bring the lines across. Just 30, so avoid the lines coming across. Okay, so that is our equipment that we are using for these videos. So with Premiere Pro we do all kinds of editing.
Things that you see on the video.
Yes, anything that you see on the video is done on Premiere Pro. Yes. Okay, and for the GAW, I think it's already packed. Yes, it's just ready for the winner. As you can see, no information written there. It needs to be sealed. Everything is inside now. Yeah, must I show? No.
Yes. Okay. They will think you lying.
No lies. There, it's inside now. Everything is inside, ready to be shipped. We just need a winner, so we can capture the details on the envelope, which we will do on our next video. Our next video will be announcing a winner.
A wheel draw.
It will be a wheel.
Yes.
Okay, we'll do a wheel, guys, a spin wheel for the GAW. Okay, we'll do a spin wheel, so whichever, we'll explain on the we'll explain more on the GAW when we are doing it. So it will be on our next video. Our next video will be a GAW for bring the community together. So you still have a chance if you haven't seen it. We're gonna leave a link on the description below. On this video's description, you're gonna leave a link to GAW. If you haven't entered, enter, just comment and like and be
subscribe.
publicly subscribed.
Yes.
That's what's required. That's nothing much.
With
okay.
Your views.
Yes, with your views, because it's bring the community together.
Exactly.
Okay, and we have another GAW that is still in progress.
The marathon.
Yeah, we still have the marathon that is in progress. Okay. Yeah, so that one we're gonna leave a link on the description also. We're gonna leave a link to that video on the description below.
Yes.
To that guy as well.
Yes.
And
we might have another one after the 400
when we are doing another marathon to 500.
That's true.
We will have another GAW on
all
that one.
We can say is that the giveaway be one of the bullions.
Yeah, it will be one of the bullions. It will be one of the bullions for the 400.
I think it's a
Britannia
2021.
Yeah, this is a 2020, not this one. It's not this one. This is a 2020. For the 400 GAW, it's a 2021. It's a new one. Yeah, so after that we do a marathon, another marathon to 500. So we'll have a GAW as well. So we'll announce when we are there what we have in store.
Yes.
Okay.
Last but not least,
I'm sure you guys have seen all that on top of Yoda. Okay, yeah, you work in this family, you put everything on top, so don't mind. As you can see, it's written international. International. So these are the stickers, guys. Okay,
you're waiting for your addresses.
Yeah, just waiting for a sticker tray, just to put your address there and send it to you. Already packed as well. We have already
the
sent.
one that we did have the addresses.
Yeah, we did send to those that we have addresses. Yeah, that we have their addresses. Yeah, they're all on its way, guys, and the previous winners as well.
Yes.
Their packets are gone, similar to this one. Yeah, they're gone. So Sarge and Aquaman. Yeah, your packets are on their way. Long time. We sent them a long time. Yeah, so we want to send these stickers as well. Already packed. Yeah, there's still more. The nice ones there. Yeah. Okay. I think today's video is just about that. Okay, please. Yeah. And we forgot to mention that some of the things that were mentioned on the comments we are doing. We are already doing some of them, but some of them we're gonna research because hustling. We are hustling.
Yes.
we are hustling. Yes.
And live streams, it's different with our time.
Yeah, but we'll try and make time.
Which is the best time.
We'll be owls for the live streams. Okay. All right, guys, thank you for watching and thank you for subscribing. Please continue subscribing because we're on a marathon for 400. We'll appreciate your subscription.
Yes, okay. That's true.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye.